Hello guys, so TCAPs have started, or state tests have started, and I know they're incredibly boring, and I just got mine done today, and I don't have any homework, and outside it's snowing. I am so bored. On a side note, on Thursday I'm not going to be bored at all. Why? Because King and the Nerds is going to have their season finale, which I'm really scared because I don't want anyone to lose. But I'm in my basement, and hey, look, my dog. Hiyo, mommy. Alright, sorry. So, yeah, everyone's bored. Nothing to do at all. At all. But, keep doing this awkward pause. I'll stop that. But, you see, I'm really bored. I don't know what to do. I think you guys probably are going to be bored as well. So I'm just going to do something I called I like to call Fast Fact. And if that's going to be already taken, then I'm going to change the name. But, alright, so here we go with a Fast Fact today. Did you know that if we were in a vacuum, the snow outside falling right now, it's actually clumped up so much that I would be able to impale through a skylight and kill me. And kill everybody, basically, in the area where it's snowing. If we were in a vacuum and we were still breathing by the time. But, yeah. Why? Because the snowflakes right now just drift down because of air resistance, and they're small. Their mass is really small. And it's because of air resistance, which is a friction in a fluid or a gas. Right now it's the air around me. So when it falls, it keeps going friction, and it's why it causes it to lightly drift down. But if there's no if there's a vacuum, then there would be no oxygen or really any gases in that area. I mean, the snowflake would just keep falling straight down, never reaching terminal velocity. Terminal velocity is where the force of the gravity pulling it down to Earth and the force of the air resistance pushing back up actually end up evening out, meaning it can't speed up anymore or slow down anymore. Which is why we use parachutes, because it makes our terminal velocity a lot slower, because there's more area for the air resistance to go against. Also, why paper airplanes need to be sharp in order to fly better, to cut through the air resistance. But with the snowflakes, if we were in a vacuum, it would just never reach terminal velocity and keep speeding up until it hit its target. Also, second fast fact, did you know it has to be negative 42 degrees Celsius in order for a man's testicles to freeze off? Don't ask why I know that, I don't know either. You can see me recording in my glasses, can't you? Also, third fast fact, did you know that it's actually legal to build a Death Star? There actually is a law against putting weapons of mass destruction into space, but that does not include, that only includes nuclear atomic weapons such as such. But it doesn't include metal, objects, people, guns, lasers, animals. It's really kind of open. There's also a project that was using kinetic energy in order to create the force of a mass nuclear explosion. Now, this was done by having these giant metal rods, I keep laughing, these giant metal rods attached to satellites, which would go into orbit around Earth. Upon a command, what would happen is that they would release these metal rods, which were made out of, the element doesn't come to mind, but it was so dense that it wouldn't burn up completely in the atmosphere and would still be able to reach Earth. Once it did, the kinetic force was supposed to be enough as a atomic bomb. Although it was somewhere around like 120,000 pounds of TNT of force, which sounds like a lot, but nowhere near a nuclear structure. So that was redone. But the reason why there was a law made about weapons of mass destruction in space is because during World War II, well, Russia needed a way to attack us that could keep us at bay. What they decided to do was attach warheads to rockets which would orbit around Earth. Thus, when they needed to strike, or were going to fire, all you need to do is take it out of orbit above its target, aka the US. Now, a lot of people go, hey, that's impossible. It is, actually. Orbit is just a fancy word for saying falling at an incredibly fast rate. We're actually falling so fast that, you know how they say Earth's gravity has an effect on us, and that's why we're orbiting it, floating around in space? Well, it's because that gravity that would keep moving forwards. Now, when I first learned that our sun's gravity, then I kind of thought, hey, wait, then wouldn't we spiral inwards towards it? No, we're flowing so fast through space that the sun's gravity keeps us at bay, but what happens is that we're flying so fast that the gravity only has effect on us, and that pulls us forwards, because we're going so fast. Meaning, well, were those warheads to be orbiting around Earth. They just need to be falling around Earth. How to take it out? Slow it down. Backup thrusters. Easy. Almost everything has it. Backup thrusters, slow it down, falls down from Earth. Not only does it create force from the kinetic energy that it carried, but also the explosive energy, which ended up being banned because, you know, it's a nuke coming from space. So, I'm trying to think of another fact if you guys want one. No, I think I'll just leave it to 3 facts because this video is almost 5 minutes long. So, 3 facts, maybe each week. I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe. If you do comment, please tell me what you think about my facts. If you already knew them, why I'm doing this, why I'm a nerd, asking questions. Yeah, I'm bored. So, stay warm even if you're in some area that is always warm. Then stay cool, I guess. I don't know. If you're in Chicago, hope you guys warm up soon. Because we're getting cold stuff down here and it's not good. I don't like it. So, goodbye. That was 3 facts. Tell me if you want another one. I might make one weekly or I don't even know. But if you like those, comment, subscribe, like, please, and leave a comment below if you have another fact for me. And yeah. Also, one of my friends, I know you might see this if you do. Please no cat facts. You texted me 17 of them. I didn't count, but it's about 17. That was just a minute babbling, wasn't it? Like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't see any of my other videos, I'll put a description in the bottom. I guess. Bye.